Hey friend, how you doing? Today I'm going to be diving deep into IntelliJ AI Assistant, which is an JetBrains AI-powered coding companion that is designed specifically for IntelliJ IDEA. So if you're wondering whether this tool is actually worth your time and money, then stick around because I'm about to break it all down for you. Now, I need to let you know that my reviews are mostly theoretical and research based, whereby I go online and make some research about a particular product or software or course or whatever it is that I know that my audiences are curious to know more about. I go to private communities and forums to ask people questions about such program or whatever it is. Then I come here to give you my honest review about it. So if that interests you, you might want to smash the red subscribe button so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos right there on this channel. And before I go further, if you're looking for a reliable way to make money online, check the link in the video description. I've got something there for you if you can put in the effort. Now, what is IntelliJ AI Assistant? First thing first, what exactly is IntelliJ AI Assistant? Now, IntelliJ AI Assistant, it's an AI-powered coding assistant that integrates directly into IntelliJ IDEA. So JetBrains' popular IDEA for Java and other programming languages. And this is part of JetBrains AI Assistant, which is available across multiple JetBrains IDEs, okay? So, but in this video, I'm going to be focusing solely on IntelliJ AI Assistant works inside IntelliJ IDEA, okay, IDEA, okay? So it is designed to help developers to write, understand, and improve their code with features like smart code completion, okay, code explanation, and automated refactoring suggestions, and AI powered test generation, okay, and also it gives you inline documentation support. Now, I know this one sounds great, but let's dig deeper. Now, talking about the features and how it works, well, it has a code completion and suggestion. So this is where IntelliJ, although I'm not able to actually show you some this landing page about this, but I'm sure you get what I'm saying. Okay, so let me just continue. So just like I'm saying, this has code completion and suggestions. And this is where IntelliJ AI Assistant predicts and suggests relevant code snippets as you type. So it's supposed to work with GitHub Copilot, but it's specifically optimized for IntelliJ IDEA. Okay. Now the pro of this is that it helps to speed up development and reduce error. And the cons of this is that it suggests user reports that the AI sometimes suggests irrelevant or unnecessary code. Okay. So the pro of this is that it helps to speed up development and reduce errors, and the cons of this is that because from my research I've seen that some users have reported that the AI sometimes suggests irrelevant or unnecessary code. Okay, and in the aspect of code explanation, the IntelliJ AI Assistant can analyze your code and provide natural language explanation. So in case you have ever inherited a code base or you have no idea what is going on, then this is going to help you. So the pro of this is that it's useful for beginners or when dealing with complex legacy code, while the con of this is that it occasionally gives some shallow explanation instead of detailed insights. Okay, it also has code refactoring and optimization. So the AI assistant suggests improvements to make your code cleaner and more efficient, so which is going to help to maintain best practices and clean code principles. Okay, why the drawback of this is just some people explain and also complain that the AI suggests unnecessary changes rather than truly improving efficiency. It also has test generation. Okay, so like it can auto generate unit tests, okay, based on your code to improve test coverage. Okay, so this helps you to save time by automating repetitive tasks. Okay, so the AI doesn't always write the best test cases, requiring manual fixes. That's the only problem with it. Okay, it just doesn't do that. Okay, and the fact that it's easy to use, this is very easy to use. So it has a seamless integration into IntelliJ IDEA, so you access it through the AI assistant tool window, and it works alongside your existing IntelliJ features. Okay, JetBrains has provided some official documentation, okay, in case you looking for resources. Okay, but so if you're new to AI assisted coding, you might need to experiment a bit with this. Okay, so those are the things that I've been able to see with this. Okay, and the IntelliJ AI Assistant requires a separate subscription on top of the IntelliJ IDEA license. So it costs around $130, okay, per month. And there is also an addition to your IntelliJ IDEA to unlimited license, which is another $149 to $499 per year, depending on your plan. Okay, so if you ask if this is a good deal, well, some developer, based on my research, some developer says it's a good deal. It's worth the price for the tight integration with IntelliJ. Another says no. So the AI is not as powerful as GitHub Copilot, which costs the same and supports more languages and platforms. Okay, so that is just what I've been able to see, and from people, they're saying they've been using it for months, and they're generally happy with it, and some people say that the integration is nice. Okay, and some say it generates code in different languages that than what they are using, and some say the responses are slower, and some say that it's not as good as co-pilots, and they don't think it's worth the extra money. So it really depends on your own expectation, okay, for this AI. All right. So regarding the pro, I think I've talked about all the pros and cons. So if you use IntelliJ IDEA daily and want deeper integration, then this is good for you. And if you also prefer the AI powered code assistant inside the IDE, then this is good for you. You should get it. And if you don't mind the extra cost, you can go for this. But if you are someone who is on a budget, then it's better you skip this. And if you're also looking for the best AI coding tool, then Copilots might still be better for you. And if you use multiple IDEs, okay, IDEs, IntelliJ AI Assistant only works in the JetBrains product, so it doesn't work with other AI assistants. Okay, so it doesn't work with other IDEs. Okay, so that is what I have for you in today's video. Although this might be a bit expensive, okay, and it might also have limited AI depth, and which doesn't always generate the best solution. Okay, and it might not be consistent when it comes to responses. Okay, or maybe your answers might mostly be incorrect. Okay, so and this might not be able to compete with cheaper alternatives like Copilot, and the learning curve might be, because of new users, you might actually struggle. Okay, new user might struggle to use it effectively. But the fact that it has seamless integration, okay, with IntelliJ IDE, and it's also provide also JetBrains rather, it's, and also because it saves time by enhancing productivity, it is also still worth it. So that is what I have for you. At the end of the day, I think IntelliJ AI Assistant is a solid but expensive tool. Okay, it's good but not game changing. If you are if you're already paying for IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate, then it might be worth adding to your toolkit. Okay, but for many developers, then I think there are a lot of alternatives like GitHub, Copilot. They might still be better deal. Okay, and before you go, if you're looking for a real way to make money online, check out the link in my description below. It's gonna help you, and it's helped a lot of my viewers to achieve financial stability within a year. Thank you very much for your time. Hit that like button. Find this will be helpful, and also subscribe for more video reviews like this, and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new videos right there on this channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Happy coding, peace, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.